You can order the side view mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Open the door. Remove the plastic covering the side view mirror's retaining nuts. Disconnect the electrical connector from the side view mirror by pressing the tab. Using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 3 retaining nuts from the side view mirror. Then, use a flathead screwdriver to pry the connector tabs in order to pull out the mirror. Take off the side view mirror. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. You can order the side view mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new side view mirror. Insert the side view mirror into its housing. Then, screw the 3 nuts back in, by hand at first. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Plug the electrical connector back in. Reinstall the plastic that covers the side view mirror retaining nuts. Operation complete.